Choosing a mattress can feel like picking a side in a decades-long debate. On one side, you have the familiar bouncy feel of the traditional Innerspring. On the other, the modern, body-hugging contour of memory foam. This isn't just about coils versus foam. It's a fundamental decision about how you want to experience sleep. Do you prefer sleeping on your bed or sleeping in it? The answer to that question will guide you directly to your perfect mattress. And understanding the core differences is the first step. Let's break down this classic matchup, point by point, so you can make a choice that's right for you. Construction. Here's what's really going on inside these two types of mattresses. An Innerspring mattress is built around a core of steel coils. Think of it as a support system made of springs that provides the foundational firmness and bounce. On top of this coil network, manufacturers add a relatively thin comfort layer, which might be made of foam, cotton, or other fibers, but the coils do most of the heavy lifting. This construction is what creates that classic, buoyant feel. A memory foam mattress, by contrast, has no coils at all. Its support comes from a base of high-density polyurethane foam, a firm foundation that prevents you from sinking through the mattress. The magic happens in the upper layers, which are made of viscoelastic foam. This is the memory part. It reacts to your body heat and pressure, softening and contouring to your exact shape, and then slowly returning to its original form when you move. So, you have one mattress built for buoyant support from within, and another designed for adaptive comfort from the top down. Feel and ergonomics. The difference in construction leads to a completely different feel, which is arguably the most important factor for most people. An Innerspring mattress offers a responsive, uplifting sensation. When you lie down, you feel supported on top of the surface. There's a distinct bounciness that makes it easy to change positions, which is a big plus for combination sleepers who toss and turn throughout the night. Memory foam offers the polar opposite experience. It's known for its slow response, body-hugging feel. When you lie down, you don't just rest on it, you sink into it as the foam molds to your body, creating a cradling sensation. Some people describe this as being hugged by their mattress. The bottom line is this: if you like a lively, springy surface, Innerspring is your go-to. If you want to feel enveloped and cushioned, memory foam is the clear choice. Pressure relief and pain. When it comes to alleviating pressure points and joint pain, memory foam generally takes the crown. Let me explain why. The viscoelastic material is designed to distribute your body weight evenly across the entire surface. This means there's less concentrated pressure on your hips, shoulders, and knees, which is especially beneficial for side sleepers whose joints press deeply into the mattress. By contouring to your curves, memory foam helps maintain proper spinal alignment without creating new pressure points. Innerspring mattresses, on the other hand, can sometimes create pressure issues. Because they are firmer and less conforming, your body's heavier parts rest on the surface rather than sinking in, which can sometimes lead to discomfort in sensitive areas. While many modern Innersprings are designed to provide excellent support, they simply don't offer the targeted body-molding pressure relief that is the hallmark of memory foam. Motion isolation. If you share a bed with a restless partner, this category is a deal breaker. Memory foam is exceptional at motion isolation. The dense foam absorbs movement and energy, so when one person rolls over or gets out of bed, the motion doesn't transfer to the other side of the mattress. This creates a calm, undisturbed sleep surface, which is a lifesaver for light sleepers. Innerspring mattresses are a different story. The interconnected coils that give them their bounce also transfer motion quite effectively. You're much more likely to feel your partner's every toss and turn on an Innerspring bed. While some newer Innerspring models use individually wrapped or pocketed coils to reduce this effect, they still can't compete with the deadening properties of a solid foam mattress. For couples, memory foam is almost always the superior choice for minimizing nighttime disturbances. Temperature and airflow. If you're someone who often wakes up feeling hot and sweaty, This is a critical point. Innerspring mattresses naturally sleep cooler. The open space within the coil system allows for significant airflow throughout the mattress, which helps to dissipate body heat and keep the sleep surface at a comfortable temperature. Memory foam has a well-earned reputation for trapping heat. Its dense structure restricts airflow, and the foam itself can absorb and retain your body heat, making you feel warmer as you sink deeper into the bed. Now, mattress manufacturers are well aware of this issue and have worked hard to mitigate it. Many modern memory foam mattresses are infused with cooling materials like gel, copper, or graphite, or are designed with an open cell structure to improve breathability. While these innovations have helped a lot, the fundamental physics remain. An Innerspring mattress is almost always going to be the more breathable, cooler option. Edge support. Edge support refers to the sturdiness of the mattress perimeter. It's important if you often sit on the edge of your bed to put on your shoes, or if you tend to sleep close to the side. In this category, Innerspring mattresses typically have a clear advantage. Their coil systems, often reinforced with higher gauge steel around the edges, provide a firm and stable perimeter. You can sit on the edge without feeling like you're going to slide off. Memory foam mattresses, particularly softer models, can have weaker edge support. The foam can compress significantly under your weight, creating a rolling off sensation if you get too close to the side. Many premium foam brands have started to address this by using a firmer, denser foam around the perimeter. But as a general rule, Innersprings offer a more consistently solid and usable edge. Durability and sag. When it comes to how long your mattress will last, the real answer is that quality matters more than type. A cheap Innerspring will sag, and a cheap memory foam will develop permanent body impressions relatively quickly. However, comparing high-quality versions of both, their durability is fairly similar. A well-made Innerspring mattress with high-gauge, heat-tempered steel coils can maintain its support and shape for many years. The main point of failure is typically the comfort layers on top, which can break down, or the coils themselves losing tension. A high-quality memory foam mattress made with dense, durable foams is also built to last. It won't have coils that break, but lower density foams are prone to sagging and developing lasting indentations over time. Ultimately, you can't judge durability by type alone. You have to look at the quality of the materials used. Weight and handling. This is a practical consideration that many people don't think about until moving day. Memory foam mattresses are notoriously heavy and unwieldy. Because they are made of dense foam, they are often much heavier than their Innerspring counterparts and lack a rigid structure, making them difficult to grip and carry. Setting up a bed in a box or moving a memory foam mattress can be a two-person job. Innerspring mattresses are generally lighter and easier to handle. Their internal coil structure gives them more rigidity, and they often come with handles sewn onto the sides, making them simpler to move, rotate, or flip. If you move frequently or need to be able to handle your mattress on your own, the lighter weight and easier handling of an Innerspring is a significant advantage. Price and value. Historically, Innerspring mattresses have been the more budget-friendly option with a very low entry-level price point. You can find a basic Innerspring for just a few $100s. Memory foam mattresses used to be a premium, expensive product, but the rise of the direct-to-consumer bed-in-a-box industry has dramatically changed the landscape. Today, you can find high-quality memory foam mattresses at very competitive prices, often for less than a comparable model in a retail store. While the cheapest mattresses are still Innersprings, the gap has narrowed significantly in the mid-range. The best value depends on your needs. If you're on a very tight budget, an Innerspring is your best bet. If you have a bit more to spend, a good quality memory foam mattress can offer superior pressure relief and motion isolation, potentially providing better long-term value for your sleep quality. Best for. So, what's the final verdict? It all comes down to your personal preferences and sleep needs. An Innerspring mattress is likely the best choice for you if you are a hot sleeper who needs maximum airflow. You prefer a traditional bouncy feel and like to sleep on your mattress rather than in it. You are a stomach or back sleeper who benefits from a firmer, more supportive surface. You are a combination sleeper who changes positions frequently and needs a responsive surface for easy movement. You prioritize strong edge support for sitting or for using the full surface of the bed. A memory foam mattress is probably the right fit for you if you are a side sleeper or someone who suffers from joint pain and needs superior pressure relief. You share a bed and are easily disturbed by your partner's movements. Motion isolation is a top priority. You love the feeling of being hugged or cradled by your mattress and enjoy a deep, contouring sensation. You are a light sleeper who values a completely silent mattress with no risk of squeaks or creaks.